Alright, YouTube, this is going to be take two of my first video. The other one I had my phone sideways and it didn't look very well. This is the insulated smoker I'm building. It's going to be 6.5 feet tall. I don't know if you can see it. It's going to be 4 foot cooking chamber, and then my firebox below, 55 inches wide, 29.5 inches deep. It's 54 inches wide, not 55. But it's going to be insulated. So pretty much duplicating what Kirkster was building in his last couple of smoker builds. So I really liked the smokers he's putting out, so I decided that I would try to build mine, and that's how that's going. I'm going to try to fill the tubes with this perlite. Got this 4 cubic foot bag. I just seen that I tried stuffing the tubes, these lower tubes, when I started building the framing. I tried cutting this rock wool. This is all my insulation I got. I tried cutting the rock wool into sections that would fit in the tube, so I could stuff the tubes with that, and that didn't work out. So I abandoned that idea until Kirkster was putting perlite in there. So I like that, and so I'm going to try to get it all put in there. It'll be kind of difficult now, but I do really want, I'd like to put a real nice paint job on this when I'm all done, so I really want it to be insulated well. You can see, I don't know if it comes up real good, there's a little gap here and there. You know, it's not all perfect. It's because, see, I had to scab a piece in there. This is all new steel, but it was leftovers that I got. Got a load of that stuff, and that's why the smoker is the size that it is. It's a little larger. I would have made it smaller if I was building using new material, but this is the size. This is the biggest I could go with the steel I had. This is when I first started, I took down all the size of steel I had, and kind of figured what size smoker I could build, and this is kind of what I wanted it to look like. So after a few days, a few minutes here and there, doing some figuring, that's what I came up with. It could be 55 inches, which I had to change that to 54. Just so I could utilize 100% of what I had. Framing the door. Gonna just mocking that up now, and I'm gonna put perlite in all that before I tack it up. Like I said, I was using my little 110 MIG here, which does an excellent job for a 110. I welded up all this tubing. It's just 1/8 inch thick. Does a really good job on that, not so much on the 1/4 inch. So now that I'm to a point where I really need to start welding, I went and picked this up, a little stick welder here, since I'm pretty familiar with stick welding. Spending $150 for this off Craigslist was better than spending $1,300 on the MIG welder I wanted. So it is 220, so I'm putting 220 in my garage now, rewiring the whole thing, putting a new box in. This is the project that took over for now until I get it rewired so I can start working on the smoker. I'll show you my old smoker here. I bought this at an auction. I used this for a little while. An offset job. It's made out of fairly heavier material for just being a commercial cheapo, but it wasn't an offset. The stack used to be right there. I moved that over there, and I don't know if you can see it, but I put that. What it is C-channel, just like this. I put 2 pieces of that C-channel together, and ran it all the way over to within about an inch, so it would be reverse flow. But with this flange being like that, it doesn't seal very good, and I'm not working on this smoker anymore. I don't use it anymore. I don't want to work on it anymore. Just want to get this other one done over here. But it's not bad. I paid $100 for that, and I put a few hours into it. There's some more. Just these are the kind of odd size pieces of steel I'm getting that have been used. This one in the front, that's 1/8 inch. I bought that for another smoker build that didn't work out. It was an old International freezer. I tried to make into a smoker, but it was lined with tar on the inside. It was a 1951 model, so that didn't work out. So that's another reason why we landed here to this smoker build. I'll try to get some more videos because I really like them, watching these videos on YouTube, and I'm sure other people do too. So this is my first attempt at trying to make one. This is Tom signing out.